In this video, we'll quickly go over how to send an invoice in Xero. If you've just started using this accounting software or are considering it for your business, understanding how to send invoices is essential. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how easy it can be to set up and send your first invoice in Xero. You can actually use Xero completely free by clicking the link in the description below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you, so be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive into sending invoices. First, once you're logged into Xero, head to the business menu at the top of your dashboard. From there, click on Invoices. This is where you'll manage everything related to invoicing. Now, to create a new invoice, just click on the New Invoice button. A fresh invoice form will pop up where you'll need to input a few key details. Start with selecting the contact for the invoice. You can either pick from an existing contact or add a new one by typing in their name or email address. Next, you'll fill in the details for your products or services. Xero lets you easily pull up previously added items, or you can create a new item if it's something you haven't invoiced before. You just need to input the item name, quantity, price, and tax rate, which Xero will automatically calculate for you. Now, let's talk about the due date and invoice terms. You can adjust the due date right here. Make sure it matches your agreed payment terms with the client. If you want to add specific payment terms or notes, you can do that too. Xero offers plenty of customization options, so you can make your invoices as detailed as necessary. You'll also see the option to add attachments. This is great if you want to send additional documents with your invoice, like a breakdown of services or a signed contract. You can upload PDFs, images, or other documents right from your computer. Once everything looks good, double-check the numbers and make sure the details are correct. Xero lets you preview the invoice before you send it, so you can avoid any mistakes. When you're ready, just click the Approve button. If you need to send the invoice immediately, you can hit Send, and Xero will email it directly to your client. Or if you're not quite ready to send it, you can save it as a draft and come back to it later. In Xero, you can also manage your invoices easily. You can view all your sent, unpaid, or overdue invoices from the dashboard, and even set up automatic reminders for clients who haven't paid yet. This helps you stay on top of your accounts receivable without all the manual work. One feature that's great for small businesses is the ability to set up recurring invoices for subscription services. If you have clients who pay the same amount regularly, you can set up a repeating invoice in Xero, and the software will send it out automatically each period. This can save you a ton of time. Now, before we wrap up, remember that Xero offers a lot of reporting features, so you can track the status of your invoices and get a full overview of your financials. You can quickly see how much you're owed, which invoices are overdue, and even run reports on your sales. Don't forget to check out that free trial in the description below for access to all of Xero's invoicing features. This exclusive offer gives you a way to get started at no cost, so you can try it out before fully committing. That's a wrap on how to send an invoice in Xero. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out that extended free trial by clicking the link down there. Thanks for watching.